Marley. Marley has the hiccups. Yeah. She has the hiccups. I can hardly wait till I can get her home. And she doesn't have to have all these tubes and IV in her scalp. And tube to feed her. Tube to drain her tummy. Yeah, but she's looking really good. It's really big. Marley? You sweetie? And there's her little, oh, where is it? Oh, here it is. Marley's little foot. Different, right? Hey, her little foot. Hey, her little foot. Yeah. Aw. Hi. It can't be very comfortable having a tube down your throat. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Her nurse cut her bandage in the shape of a heart. Isn't that sweet? Say bye. We'll see you later. Oh, you're talking now. Hey? Oh, I'm tired. Hey? Daddy loves you too, you know that, right? Say hi, Daddy. Hmm? Where's your other foot? Where's your other foot? There's Marley's other foot. Oh. Where's your other foot? See? Shoot his little foot. With one toe. I knew it. Yeah.